For this recursion lab, I will give you lots of good written instructions and hints and so on Moodle. But for this video, I'll just show you how it's supposed to work so that you know you've done it correctly. So here it is. I've just hidden with collapsing the different methods that you will make. And there's the erase blob as it is on page 299. So let me run it. How big an image do you want? I'll go 10 by 10. 10 is used for both of the dimensions of the image. So there it is. I put a print line in between the input and the image. So now it says, find a place where a good blob erase could happen from. Well, it's the ones changing into zeros, so a good place would be probably down around here, because you're going to get all these ones that recursively are going to change to zeros. The only thing is I'm saying, but not from the edges, just because it's maybe easier to plug in a number that is an edge, just to make it a little bit more of a challenge for the user to use it so they can actually pick a row and a column. It's just a silly thing that I'm getting you to do so that you can have a Kickstarter helper method recursively. So in other words, I can't now give the row of the spot that I would like to click to be 0 or 9, just because I'm saying hypothetically that it's too easy. I don't, again, it's silly, but whatever. So I can type in any other row. So let me just do that. I'll type in row number 0. And then I'll type in column number, something in the middle, 5. So I will get an error thrown that says error can't be 0. And actually I've got to change my output of that. But anyway, this is what I typed for my sout if you are on an edge. So I'll run it again. And this time I'm not going to pick the top row or the bottom row. I'm going to pick another one. So I'm going to, ooh, this is going to be a nice one. So I'm going to pick anything in here. So let's say row number 0, 1, 2, 3, and column number 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll pick that. Right? When I pick that recursively, we're going to get rid of a whole bunch of ones. So 3 and 3. This time it will work, and it filled in all those ones to be 0. And then it stopped. Well, you can see where it stopped because of the zeros preventing it from leaking any further there and leaking any further there. But that was a really good example, actually. So refer definitely to my instructions, my written instructions for hints of how to approach this. You're not doing any new recursion with this, but you certainly are understanding how recursion methods are called and how the helper method works.